Hi guys, up in the bathroom, give the spider boat another go. I've changed the angle of the spoons, or spoon blades, on the end of the legs. Originally they pointed straight down in line with the leg and were a little bit longer. We weren't getting any reverse and we weren't getting much forward speed. So I've shortened them and tilted them back at quite an angle. My theory being that as they move forwards in the water, they won't cause quite so much disturbance as they were when they were hanging down straight. So it should improve our forward speed. It won't do anything for reverse though. We've still only got 3 legs on this side and 4 on this side, so it's not going to go straight whatever it does. And we're running it on a 3S battery, which is probably going to kill the motors relatively quickly, so we won't spend a long time doing this. I think it originally only had 4 AA batteries, so it was originally expecting just 6 volts, and we're running it on about 12 volts. So, are we still in focus? Yeah, sort of. Okay. Yeah, so if we do them both together. We're going forwards. We'll try reverse. Yeah, we're not getting much of a reverse to it. Let's see if we can turn. The other way. So yeah, we can turn and we don't get much backwards. Hang on, which one? Yeah, we're certainly not getting a straight back, we're turning in reverse. Forwards, oh, I can smell the motors getting warm. So we won't spend too much more time on this. Yeah, well, we got movement. I don't think we're in a position where we can go across the boating lake. For a start, I think I'll burn the motors out if I run them for too long. But we got forwards, backwards-ish, and definitely got turn. It's not spinning on the spot, which would be nice, but we haven't got enough effectiveness from those oars. Yeah, I think that'll do before I kill the motors. I still think I may end up chopping the legs off, so we've just got stubs, putting proper oars on them and making a bespoke boat for it, a different shape one, probably narrower and lower on the water. But that'll be a different project, different series. I think we've taken this as far as we need to go at the moment. The principle's there. It's not quite as good as I hoped, but it works.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.